press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fit and fine. Okay, so in the previous class we already discussed about the earth neighbors. Okay, so here before starting my class I want to give some examples. Okay, so just imagine about a sparrow and then a stone. Okay, so a sparrow and a roadside stone. Okay, just imagine it. So here now let us just imagine about a stone and then sparrow. Okay, in our surroundings we can see the stones and then sparrows in our surroundings now, and compare them. Okay, just compare them. So here a stones remain where it is. Okay, so for example this chalks I am putting here means it's there only remains. Okay, where it is, like that the stone also remains where it is. Okay, so here it can't change the place. Okay, stone can't change the place. Only stone changes its place. If someone picks it up and moves it. Okay, if I am putting the stones means it remains where it is. Okay, so it changes the place when I just pick the stone and moves it, then only it changes the place. Okay, so here it doesn't eat, stone doesn't eat. Okay, and then so it is doesn't grow bigger, so the stone is not eat and it doesn't grow bigger. Okay, and then it doesn't have babies either, so the stone doesn't have babies either, isn't it? So here it is not the same like the sparrow. Okay, stone is not same like the sparrow. So here sparrow can build the nest. Okay, sparrow can build their nest. So here they move here and there. Okay, sparrow can move here and there, but stone can't, isn't it? Then sparrow can move here and there on their own. So here they eat insects and grains. Sparrow can eat insects and grains. Okay, and then that is why they grow and they lay eggs. Okay, eggs, you know the eggs? Yes, insects. So here they nest in the nest, they lay the eggs in the nest. Okay, so then here sparrow hatch from these eggs. So then sparrow take a lot of care their young ones, so it lay the eggs now. So and also the sparrow care a lot of their young ones, isn't it, their childrens. So here why do we see this difference between the sparrow and stone? Why do we see the difference? There is a difference now in stone and then sparrow. Yes, why we see the difference between the sparrow and then stone? Why? Yes, the sparrow is living thing. Sparrow is living thing. Stone is non-living things. Yes, sparrow is living things and it eats, isn't it? It moves here and there. Okay, and it's lay the eggs. But stones remains where it is. It is not, stone can't grow. Okay, but sparrow can grow. What is the difference between, why we can see the difference between sparrow and then stone? Yes, stone is non-living things and then sparrow is living things, isn't it? Yes. So things in our surroundings we can see the two types of things. Yes or no? In our surroundings. Yes or no? Yes, living and non-living things. We can see so many living things. We can see that so many non-living things in our surroundings and also living things. Yes or no? Yes. When we look at around ourselves, we see many people, isn't it? We can see in our surroundings, we can see the peoples. Yes or no? Yes, we can see the peoples, plants and animals. So the people we can see in our surroundings, plants and then animals. Here we can see the domestic animals, isn't it? Like cat, dog, isn't it? So here they are called living things. They are called living things. Which are the living things? People, animals and then plants are called living things. Okay. So here we can also see many non-living things also, isn't it? We can see many non-living things like land, air, water, soil, buildings and then chair, okay, then chalk and then duster and then so many things like board. So these all the living things. Okay. So the earth is the home of living and non-living things. We can say it. The earth is home of living and non-living things. Okay. So both living and non-living things make up our environment. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. So here as both are in our environment now, we can see the so many living things and then non-living things. Now only I given the example also now. Yes, stone and then sparrow, isn't it? Stone is non-living things and then sparrow is living things. Stone cannot move, it's remain where it is, isn't it? It doesn't grow bigger in size, but sparrow can move it, isn't it? So it's fly here and there. So it eats the insects, isn't it? But stone can't eat. So these living and non-living things make up our environment. Both living and non-living thing we can see in our environment. So you can give the many examples also. Okay. So here the air we breathe, the water we drink, the place where we are living, isn't it? And then in a part of our environment, air we are taking now, yes. So we are breathing, isn't it? So then where we are living and then water, we are drinking the water now. So these all in our environment. It's all in our environment, isn't it? So here this environment describes everything that surrounds us. So environment means it's describe everything in our surroundings. So environment describes everything, living and non-living things. Okay. So here there are many things that we throw as a waste, isn't it? Every morning we throw so many things as a waste. Okay. So here some of the waste material roots and decays, well some are does not. So if you are for example, if you are throwing peels of fruits, means it's decay in the soil, but plastic can't decay. Okay. So here things that not decay cause pollution. So plastic, we now only heard in the news, isn't it? Plastic banned. Now only the plastic banned. Now we all are using the jute bags, isn't it? So that plastic causes the pollution. So many things are there which causes pollution. Which causes pollution. They do not decay in the soil, so that's why it's called causes pollution. Okay. Generally there are 4 types of pollution we can see. Okay. In your textbook there is a 4 pollution are there. Okay. So in the environment we can see generally 4 types of pollution. Now let us learn about them one by one. Okay, let us learn one by one. So here the things which are does not decay in the solution soil, so that causes pollution. Okay, so here we can see 4 types of pollution. So I think that you already know it is okay. So generally we can see the air pollution. First one is air pollution. Let's know about it, why it causes the air pollution. So first one is air pollution. Air means you already know, air is very important to us to live, isn't it? So air is very important. So here we can see, and we are going to know about the air pollution, why it causes the air pollution. So there are so many causes of air pollution. So let us know one by one. So here air get polluted different activities. We are doing day by day so many activities now. So it causes different activities, okay, of human beings. So here we can read some of them. Okay, we can read some of them. So here why the air pollution causes means some smoke given out by factories and vehicles. We can see it now, industries industries and vehicles. Yes, smoke given out by industries and vehicles. There are so many industries and also day by day we are using vehicles. So it causes the air pollution. The air smoke, we can if you are going on road means you can see the air, isn't it? Air pollution. So here smoke given out by factories and vehicles, it is also causes for air pollution. And then burning of wastage. So we all burn the wastage now. So it is also causes the air pollution. So it is also causes the air pollution. And then bursting of crackers on festival days. So burning of crackers on festival day, it is also causes the air pollution. And then forest fires, okay, and then sandstorms. So it is also causes the air pollution. So here for example we can say that forest fire. Now only forest fire we can see it in recent Australia, forest fire. So that causes the air pollution. So and also the sandstorms, so it is also causes the air pollution. Air pollution leads to several breathing problems. So so air is very important to us now. If you want to live means we want pure air to breathe. Okay, so if the air is polluted means we will get so many problems. Okay, so for example asthma causes the asthma. So if the air is not good, so air is not good, we get so many breathing problems like asthma. So here, so that's why we all are going to walk in the early morning now. So that's why we are going. So doctor suggests us to take pure air, isn't it? So that's why air should be clean. Air should be clean. So so it is air must be pure. So otherwise we get so many problems. Okay, so this is all about the air pollution. And then water pollution. Our next one is water pollution. Water pollution. So here So we already studied in the previous class, air and water is very important to us to live, isn't it? So these both are polluted because of us only. We are polluting the air and water. Okay. So here, what are the causes for water pollution? What are the causes? Just think it. Yes. So here, water pollution is serious problem nowadays. Nowadays, water pollution is very serious problem. We all want pure water to drink now. So nowadays, it is very serious problem. Some activities that causes the water pollution. So here, what are the activities causes the water pollution? Like washing clothes and utensils in the water bodies. Okay. So here, in our surroundings, what the people do mean, if there is river water means they all go in the river and they wash their clothes and then with utensils in the water bodies, isn't it? That causes the water pollution. If you want to clean some utensils and cloths means you have to take separately, isn't it? Take the separate water and then wash it. Okay. So some people do activities in the water bodies like washing the clothes and then utensils. It causes the water pollution. And then people and animal bathing in the water bodies, and also people bath in the water bodies and also animals. Okay. So it also causes the water pollution. And then mixing of sewage from the homes and factories in the water bodies. So what happened? People, what they do, they just mix the wastage in the water bodies, and also factories give out some wastage in the water bodies. So that's also cause water pollution. So in recently we can see the Ganga river water was so much polluted. So the government is doing what it's cleaning. Government is cleaning the water, isn't it? Ganga Action Plan. So here we are doing the activities which causes the pollutions, isn't it? So here, and then dumping garbage in the water bodies. So people, what they do, they just dump the wastage in the water bodies. So it also causes the water pollution. Okay. And then water pollution may lead to several diseases. We get several diseases, isn't it? If we are drinking dirty water means we will get so much diseases. We are doing pollution and we are getting the diseases, isn't it? So here, if we drink the such water, if we are drinking dirty water means we will fall ill, isn't it? It can cause the diarrhea and then cholera. Okay, so many diseases we will get it, isn't it? We are doing the water pollution. This is a serious problem nowadays. Okay, so this is water pollution. So water pollution, water bodies can also cause death of fishes. So this water pollution, what they do? Yes, it causes of death of fishes in water bodies. We can see so many fishes, water bodies, water animals now. So it is this water pollution causes the death of fishes and so many animals in the water bodies, isn't it? So water pollution causes so many problems. So who are doing the water pollution? Yes, we are doing the water pollution. Okay, so here, and then we can next one is land pollution. Next one is land pollution. So you know the land, isn't it? Yes. So land gets polluted due various human activities. So air pollution also causes for human activities, water is also causes for human activities, and this is also causes for human activities. Okay. So here we can read some of them. Okay. So here throwing garbage in the open. We all do it now. If there is a open field, means what we do? We just dump the garbage in the open field. That causes the pollution. That causes the pollution. So throwing the wastage in the open field causes the land pollution. So then overuse of chemical fertilizers. Okay, chemical fertilizers nowadays using the chemical fertilizers now in the fields. So in the agriculture, what they do, agriculture, not only in the agriculture, in for example in the agriculture, what the farmers do, they want more what production now, so they use the chemical fertilizers, isn't it? That is also called the land pollution, to get the more, yes, productions. So that's why it is also causes the land pollution. And dumping of waste of factories in junk yards. So for factories, what they do, they throw some junk yards in the land. So it is also causes pollution. It doesn't decay now, so that's why it causes the pollution. Okay. So here land pollution also can also many diseases. So here land pollution is also causes many diseases. Okay. And also they destroy the natural beauty of our, yes, environment. It destroys our natural beauty. So here there are so many examples we can see our surroundings, isn't it? So here, so it destroys our natural beauty, isn't it? Nowadays we can't see that much of beautiful things, isn't it? Because of what? Pollution. Because of pollution. So here, and then last one is noise pollution. You already know the noise pollution. Noise pollution. You all do it now? Noise. It is also pollution. So noise pollution. So sound which is sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise pollution, which is not pleasant to our ears, isn't it? Ears. So too much noise is called noise pollution. So too much noise, we will get it, isn't it? So for example, nowadays on the roadside we can vehicles horn is unpleasant, isn't it? So that causes the noise pollution, and it is not good for our ears, isn't it? So here noise pollution is due to various activities. So this is also cause for various activities. And then like listening to the radio and television at high volume. We all are we are listening television and then radio in high volume now, that causes the noise pollution. And then excessive honking of vehicles. I already told you now what the vehicles do, they honk, unnecessarily they honk. So that causes the noise pollution. So that causes the noise pollution. So unnecessarily what they do, they horn. So excessive of honking the vehicles. So then bursting of crackers. So on the festival days we all burst the crackers now. So that is also causes the noise pollution. So and then noise created by machine in factories. So in the factories, if you go in the factories, they create so much of noise, isn't it? So that causes the noise pollution. So and then and using of loudspeakers. So loudspeaker, so here if the heart attack patient is in your at home, so if the noise, if they are getting so much of noise from outside, means they will suffer, isn't it? So that's why the government, what they did, they banned the loudspeakers, isn't it? So they're getting so much of noise. So using of loudspeaker is causes the noise pollution. So noises can harm our ears. So it causes our, and also it's harm our ears, isn't it? And can damage, and it's also can damage our hearing system. So the noise pollution can damage our hearing, yes, hearing system. If we can't hear means, and also we can't speak it, isn't it? If someone can't listen, he can't speak. So the noise pollution causes the, yes, hearing system. It damages the hearing system. To avoid loud sound, we can use our ear plugs. So this is generally 4 types of pollution we can see in our environment, isn't it? We can see our environment. So here, how to reduce this pollution? This is very big problem nowadays. Nowadays we can see it. It's very big problem. Pollution are very big problem. So we have to plant. What we have to do? We have to plant more and more trees, isn't it? So and here we have to plant more and more trees to keep air clean. If you want to clean air, means who will do? Yes, trees can do better. Okay, so we have to plant more and more trees to clean air, and then throw waste in the dustbin. So we have to throw the waste in the dustbin. What we have to do? Yes, not in the open field. We have to throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, and then do not use plastic bags. So don't use the plastic bags. Government also banned the plastic bags now. So don't use plastic bags. Instead of use jute bags. Okay, and then say no firecrackers, and then use clean fuel like CNG in vehicles. So CNG we have to use in our vehicles. It cleans. Okay, and then save water. Do not make it dirty. We have to save water to our next generation now. If we are using the so much of water means what happen? Yes, if we will not get the water, okay, in future. So we have to save water. Okay, don't make it dirty. Okay, if there is a tap is open now, you have to go it and then close it. Okay, we have to save the water. And then do not listen to music at a high volume. Don't listen music at high volume. Okay, this all how to reduce pollution. We have to reduce the pollution. It's our responsibility, isn't it? We are the citizen of India, means so we have to do it. Okay, we are doing pollution means we have to clean the environment. It's our responsibility. Okay, this all about our environment. So generally there are 4 types of environment pollution we can see it. Okay, so here in this chapter we studied about air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and then noise pollution. Okay, so here in the 5th June we celebrate Environment Day. 5th June we celebrate our Environment Day. In the 5th June, what they do? Everyone plants the trees, na? Yes or no? Instead of doing in the 5th June, we have to do it daily, isn't it? So here, so 5th June we celebrate the Environment Day. Okay. So this is about our environment. In our environment we can see the both living and non-living things. Okay. And here, so these make our environment. Both living and non-living things make our environment. Okay, this is all about our environment. I hope you all understand this. Thank you so much.